chendono igeno ni biro dhi mbele chieng' tich adek. Koromogo jang doma malo Mombasa ogolo chik ni chenro magalambe kanisa mar New Life Prayer Center mar Jal Ezekiel Odero odhi nyime kaka pile maonge rochruok mora. Kata kamano dohono biro ng'ado bura chieng' wuok tich tarik 15 ewi kwayo majayalono madwaro ni oyaw agulu mage mag bengi kachiel kod wang' jowi mar kanisa mayande olor gi piny owacho. Jatend migawo mar arita Kithure Kindiki nyogolo chik mondo mi olor kanisa no bang' meko majayal Ezekiel mane itudo gi wach nek mar oganda e gwenge ma Shakahola e kaunti ma Kilifi.
Told you that the circumstances of this freezing should be the last restrictive option available.
There is no prima facie evidence adduced before you that those accounts that have been frozen belonging to the applicant are used in running of a school, running of a church, payment of workers. And that is factual evidence that needs to be adduced.
The affidavits that have been filed, the submissions that have been made this afternoon, and give my decision in respect of the two applications on Monday the 15th of May. Now, for the avoidance of doubt, I've ordered as follows in the interim that prayer C of the petitioner's notice of motion dated 3rd of May 2023 be and is hereby granted pending the determination of that application. So the rest of the interim prayers will be, they are declined for now. I'll rule on them on the 15th.
Kwa dhibele nyakura mga juang dala more gwenga